Hey there listeners, glad you are here. So today we will dive deep into the fascinating myths and legends about one of the most famous and mysterious monuments, the Bhangar Fort. Now this fort is located in the Alwar district of Rajasthan and being one of the most famous and haunted places in India. It is built in late 17th century by Raja Bhagwan Das. Now it is not only famous for being haunted but also for the stories and myths related to it which make it more spooky. Are these rumors really true or is just the people who are haunting it? Let's find. We have Om Mishra and Stuti Kulshesh with us.
Hi there.
Hello. Okay, so Stuti, is it all the superstition or there is something supernatural about that Bhangar fort?
Actually, there are two spine-chilling stories behind Bhangar Fort. Let's start with the first one, the story of Hermit. So long before that fort was ever built, that was actually a spot where the hermit used to meditate. Okay, the king actually liked that place and he started seeking permission for the building of the fort. The hermit agreed, but he had one condition that the shadow of the fort should not cast itself at his meditating spot. Unfortunately, one day the shadow of the fort casted itself on the hermit's meditating spot exactly at the time when he was meditating.
Oh my god, that's strange.
Yeah, and hence he cursed that place that this place will go into ruins. The village will go into ruins, no life will prosper ever there. That's the first thing. Then we have the story of Princess Ratnavati. She was a very beautiful princess. She was loved worldwide. One day, Tantric fell in love with Princess Ratnavati. He knew that princess would never love her back. So what he did was he casted a spell on her itra. But Princess Ratnavati was suspicious that okay, something is wrong with my itra, so she didn't use it. Instead, she threw that itra bottle on a very big stone. So since it was a love potion, what happened was the stone started rolling itself towards the tantric.
So you are basically saying that instead of Rani Ratnavati, the big stone started rolling towards the wizard because of that love spell.
Yeah, exactly. And before that stone could crush the tantric, he cursed that place that this place will go into.
Oh, let's dive into what people have experienced when they visited the Bhangar fort. What do you have uncovered?
Sure, Ria. Many people have described the fort as strange and spooky. Visitors have talked about feeling uneasy when they approached it, and some of them feel that the air is somewhat heavier. One visitor has a story that they saw a shadowy figure, and when they got close to it, it disappeared. One of them told us a story that there was a child sitting in a locked room. There were no windows, no doors. It was completely locked.
Scary, right?
They said they will never come back then. The villagers also have a story. There were two boys. They stayed overnight there and they never returned. Some of people think that this is all skeptical. Some people think that we should only enjoy the beauty of the fort and the history that happened there. But they also think that the place is somewhat weird.
So that's all for today. Now you decide if the place is really haunted or it's just the people who are haunting it.